Check out this one-of-a-kind steampunk-themed custom motorcycle that runs on compressed air. This amazing motorcycle, which goes by the name of Aerium, was made by custom motorbike builder Peter Forsberg and took him 3 years to create. The most attention-grabbing detail about this bike is its visible mechanical components, where you can see the pistons, pushrods and crankshaft through the glass installed in the engine. The bike runs on compressed air from a tank strapped to the rider's back, but only has enough air for about a 3 to 5 minute ride, which is probably a good thing, as the steering on this bike is a little strange. Unlike a traditional bike where you turn the handlebars and the front wheels turn, on this bike you turn the handlebars and the front half of the bike turns with it. It's such a weird design. The entire front half of this bike swings side to side on hinges in the middle of the frame. Peter wanted to enter the bike into a custom bike competition, but one of the rules was the bike had to be rideable to be allowed into the competition. So the bike was not made for speed or the ability to ride far, just fast and far enough to ride up onto the stage. I think it would be fair to say it's less of a practical motorbike and more of a piece of art. What I like most about artistic creations like this bike is it reminds us all that if you have the passion and creativity to build something, nothing can stop you from succeeding. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.